Welcome to SEDA Dental Smiles, your home for everything dental. Today, we're going to be discussing dental discount plans with Lou Moros, who's the best guest for this particular show because of his expertise in the area. Lou happens to be coming from Carrington International Corporation, which is one of the pioneers in the industry for this, and he's going to be telling us a little about the corporation. And we're excited to have you, Lou.
Well, thank you for having me, Ken.
Tell us a little about yourself.
For the last 12 years, as I've been working for the company, I've just spent my entire career trying to help connect members with dentists and making access to dentistry more affordable.
Can you tell us a little about Carrington?
Well, we operate and manage national proprietary dental networks. We've been around since the late 70s. And currently to date, we have close to 15 million members nationwide that access one of our dental plans, and we have close to 44,000 contracted providers throughout our proprietary networks.
It's incredible. So you guys are true leaders in this field.
I would say we have a lot of experience.
To say the least.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess let's dive into today's program, which are dental discount plans. So what is a dental discount plan?
A dental discount plan is a membership plan. When a member buys into the plan, they're going to have access to a network of providers that have agreed to discount their services. So what the member would do is find through a provider search link, usually an online provider search link. They'll identify a provider in their local market. They can search by zip code, search by specialty, search by a provider last name if they happen to know a provider that they want to visit, see if the provider's participating in the network. Once they've been able to verify that, it's simply identifying themselves as a member of the plan to the office. And the office would then verify eligibility, which what that means is making sure that the member is a member in good standing of the plan at the time that services are going to be rendered. And it's very simple as far as the transaction. Services will be provided in the dental practice, and then the member pays directly to the provider at the time of service out of pocket. So there is no claims experience, there is no payment from an insurance carrier to the provider. This is a non-insured product.
Okay, so basically, I sign up day one,
Mm-hmm.
I'm a member. There's
Very
no
simple.
waiting game.
Correct. Some of the highlights or features of a discount plan is you are eligible to receive discounts the moment you sign up. There are no pre-existing conditions, there are no frequency limitations, and one of the most attractive features of a discount plan is that every dental procedure is subject to a discount. So when I'm a member of a plan, no matter what treatment is going to be provided to me, it could be routine hygiene, cleaning, exam, x-rays, or if my dentist happens to recommend and think that I need more extensive dental work, every single procedure that that office will be performing, I'm going to receive a discount on.
And just to be very clear, a dental discount plan is not a dental insurance plan.
That's correct. It's
Okay.
a non-insured plan.
And that's very important to know.
Correct.
The reason I like this plan from a dental standpoint, okay, and from a patient standpoint, if someone comes to you and is missing a tooth already, okay, I've had people in the past say, well, you know, let's put this through the insurance. Okay, we're going to get to see what the eligibility is. Okay, and a lot of the times it will come back where if a patient is missing a tooth, there's a clause, a pre-existing
Condition.
And when you have that pre-existing condition, let's face it, you're not going to be covered for that procedure.
Right.
There are no pre-existing conditions.
No limitations whatsoever, pre-existing condition limitations.
It's incredible. At the same time, you pretty much know the price because
That's another feature of the discount plan is the transparency.
Right.
The dental practice, of course, knows the fees that they have agreed to discount when they became part of the network, if you will. What we do from a member perspective is our members are able to see a sample savings chart, give them an idea of what type of savings experience they're going to have once they become members of the plan. And then once they do sign up into the plan, we're going to follow up in, let's say, 7 to 10 business days post signing up. They're going to receive a member fulfillment kit. That member fulfillment kit consists of ID cards for them and their family. It has full plan description along with a very transparent fee schedule. So they're able to see and know what type of pricing they're going to receive, what they're going to be charged at the time of service. Now, what they don't know necessarily, obviously, is what the full treatment plan is going to be. That's subject to the clinical expertise and diagnosis of their dentist.
Right.
But they'll have a general sense in terms of what type of pricing structures are available to them.
Okay, so that's the gist of how a dental discount plan works.
Mm-hmm.
It's really that easy. So what type of dental discount plans are we going to offer?
Well, there are two plans that we're going to be offering at the SEDA dental practices, and that is the Star Dental plan and the Star Dental Plus plan. Star Dental focuses on everything that the Star Dental plan offers, as well as implants.
So that's a little out of the norm, where people don't typically offer a discount on their dental implants?
Correct. Dental discount plan, really, if you look at it, and the industry has told us, is that the biggest barrier between patients and dental treatment is cost. So if we're able to help them and make quality dentistry more affordable and put that into their hands, it's a win-win situation for everybody.
So I guess the magic question is, well, how large are these discounts?
Well, discounts can range anywhere from a minimum of 20% all the way up to 40% depending on procedure.
Wow, that's pretty substantial. And that's typically off the usual fee.
That's off of the usual and customary rate, or the dentist's normal everyday fee, if you will.
That's great. And if a person or an individual buys this plan, is the family included in that plan? How does that work?
We have structured it where an individual can buy a plan for themselves, or it could be an individual plus family or household, if you will. So all members of the household would be eligible to receive discounts on their dental treatment.
Okay. If I'm a member of this Star Dental plan, but I just happen to break a tooth and my provider, my dentist says, you know what, I need an implant. Is it simple to join the Star Dental Plus plan?
Absolutely. What we can do is we have the member contact the number on the back of the ID card, and we can have the member basically buy up into the Plus plan and just pay the difference.
Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, so you can jump into to another plan as simple as a payment.
Correct.
Tell me about the additional features that are associated with the plan.
Well, with the Star Dental plan, the Star Dental Plus plan, not only are members going to receive discounts on their dental treatment at all the SEDA dental practices, but they'll also have access to a national network of vision providers where they'll receive discounts on frames, exams, lenses, contacts. They will have access to a national network of LASIK providers should they choose to want to have a LASIK procedure done, as well as a very comprehensive national network of pharmacies. They'll be eligible to receive discounts on both generic and brand name prescriptions at thousands of pharmacies nationwide.
So what's the catch?
Simply put, there is no catch.
So there's no additional charge? It's included with whatever the member is paying?
Correct. The member presents their ID card. They would take the Star Dental card, present it to their optometrist, present it to their pharmacist, or present it to the LASIK provider. Again, these providers will verify eligibility, make sure that the member's in good standing, and then the member is eligible to receive those discounts, and they would pay those providers at the time of service, just the same way they would pay when they're receiving dental treatment at one of the SEDA dental practices.
That's a true benefit. I like that. Who's the perfect candidate for a dental discount plan?
Well, it would obviously be a patient that has no plan affiliation, so an uninsured patient, or simply somebody that wants to maximize their out-of-pocket savings when visiting a dental practice.
Okay, that makes perfect sense. So how much does the Star Dental Plan membership cost, Lou?
For an individual, it would be $159 annually, or $249 for a family on the Star Dental Plan, $199 for a member on the Star Dental Plus Plan, or $309 for that entire family on the Plus Plan. We offer an annual pricing option, or we could also break it up into quarterly payments.
That's great. so it makes it more affordable,
Mm-hmm.
which helps patients come out of pocket for their dental visits as well.
Usually, what you'll see, depending on the type of treatment that the patient is receiving, is that they'll experience enough savings during that very first visit where the plan pays for itself for the entire year.
Okay, and how does a member sign up?
There are various different ways to sign up. Probably the easiest way to sign up would be during your dental visit when you're at one of the SEDA dental locations. Their very helpful front office staff can sign you up in less than 2 minutes onto the plan. Members can also sign up through the website.
Okay, and all locations for SEDA Dental accept the plan, correct?
All SEDA dental locations will be accepting the plan, correct?
Okay, let's just circle back and highlight all the great things that a dental discount plan offers.
Okay. Well, first and foremost, the dental discount plan makes access to dentistry affordable. You are eligible to receive discounts the moment you sign up. Again, unlike an insured product, there are no pre-existing conditions, there are no frequency limitations, and every procedure is subject to discount. So no matter what the treatment is, the member can expect to receive discount on those procedures.
Thank you for your time, Lou. This was a true pleasure to have you here, and we're lucky to have not only a leader in the field, but a real authority to sit down with us and discuss what a dental discount plan is.
Well, thank you for having me
Appreciate it.
again.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Take care.